हेलो दोस्तों, ये रहा अपना पहला क्वेश्चन। फॉरेन पोस्ट मैनुअल द टर्म एलसी मीन्स। ऑप्शन ए लेटर कार्ड, ऑप्शन बी लेटर कैटेगरी, ऑप्शन सी लेटर्स एंड कार्ड्स, and option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C letters and card. Second question is article liable to export duty are detained at the outward office of exchange and the sender is informed regarding the payment of duty. Options are A by the office of exchange, B by the custom authority directly, C by the head office of circle concerned, and D all of the above. Correct answer is option B by the custom authority directly. Third question is the abbreviation UPU stand for. Option A United Postal Union, option B Universal Postal Union, option C United Pacific Union, option D none of the above. Correct option is Universal Postal Union. Fourth question is the corresponding inland post service to the printed paper service in the foreign post is. Option are A pattern and sample packet, option B book packet service, option C register newspaper, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B book pocket service. Fifth question is the term AD means foreign country. Options are A acknowledgement due, option B advice of delivery, option C actual delivery, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B advice of delivery.